Nowadays, insulating material for cable is very important because everywhere we are using now the cable for 11 kV, 33 kV, 132 kV, 220 kV and also 400 kV. Different voltage level we are using different types of cables and as per their requirement and specifications, and also depend on the situations and depend on the purpose on which the cable is required and the quality of the insulation, how much insulation is required for sustaining the voltage. So the proper choice of insulating material for cable is very important consideration. Properties of the insulating material. Insulating material should be high insulation resistance to avoid the leakage current, high dielectric strength to avoid electrical breakdown, high mechanical strength to withstand the mechanical handling, non-hygroscopic, should not absorb the moisture from air or soil, non-inflammable, unaffected by acid alkalis to avoid any chemical actions. These properties of the insulating materials is very important to maintaining different types of work at different voltage level. Also the principal insulating materials. The principal insulating materials are rubber, vulcanized India rubber, impregnated paper, varnished cambric and polyvinyl chloride. Rubber may be obtained from milky sap of tropical trees and it may be produced from oil product. It has a relative permittivity varying between 2 to 3 and also the dielectric strength is about 30 kV per mm and resistivity of insulation is 10 to the power 17 ohm centimeter. It has an disadvantage. Pure rubber has reasonable high insulating properties. Also the rubber insulation has few drawbacks. What type of drawbacks it has? It absorbs the moisture's maximum safe temperature is low, about 38 degrees Celsius, soft and liable to damage due to the rough handling and aging. So the next is vulcanized India rubber. It is prepared by mixing pure rubber with mineral materials such as zinc oxide, lead, etc. 3 to 5% of sulfur. The compound so formed is rolled into tin sheet and cut into strip. The rubber compound is then applied to the conductor and is heated to a temperature of about 150 degrees Celsius. The whole process is called vulcanization and the product obtained is known as vulcanized India rubber. Impregnated paper consists of a chemically pulped paper made of the wood chipping and impregnated with some compounds such as paraffinic and naphthenic material. These types of insulations has almost superseded the rubber insulation. Its advantage low cost, low capacitance, high dielectric strength, high insulation resistance. Only disadvantage is that it is hygroscopic and it absorbs the moistures, thus the lower the insulation resistance of the cable. The next topic is the vulcanized cambric. So what is the vulcanized cambric? It is a cotton cloth impregnated and coated with varnish. These types of insulation is known as empire tape. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC. This is insulation. This insulation material is a synthetic compound. It is obtained from the polymerization of acetylene and in the form of white powder. And also XLP insulation are being used in different areas. So today's topic is about the insulation material of the cables, its properties of the insulating material, which properties should be maintained in the insulating material to sustain the high voltage breakdown, and also the leakage current, also mechanical strength, non-hydroscopic, non-inflammable, unaffected by the acid and alkali to avoid any chemical actions, and the principle of insulating materials, which types of insulating materials are being used, are discussed today. If you are interested, you get some knowledge or recall your old memories, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updated and also for different informative video. My channel name is Real Life Indrajit Pal. Please subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you very much for subscribing.